Hi, it's me again with Corel Draw Tips and Tricks. Part 2 of this. I made 2 of them now, and I was just playing with them to see what would it be to. I grabbed the wrong thing. Let me back up here. To intersect and have these rings look like they're going in between each other. And in this case, you really need to get all the red, in it, so you can do it at an angle. But if you look, if we have this and normally would hold down the shift key, our intersect tool doesn't work because this is a group of 72 objects. So to make it work, you don't have to do both of them, but you need to do the one that's going to be on top. Go up to bitmaps and convert it to a bitmap. Takes just a second because there's a lot going on here with this one we just made in part 1. It's almost done. Now select the box, shift select the ring, and intersect it. Then move that out of the way. Take our box and delete it. Take this one, go up to object order, back a page, and then move this back. Whoop, went too far. So it looks like it's interlocking, but to interlock something of this nature, you've got to turn it into a bitmap. Now, my question is, if it's a bitmap now, is it going to have a yellow or a white bounding box? Hopefully not. No, it does not. So it would work, if you were going to print that. That's pretty cool. Hope that helped. Thank you for watching.